In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, you'll want to access your dashboard. Start by logging into your Monday.com account using your web browser. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately to gain access to your primary workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where all your projects and boards are organized. Next, we need to open the Profile menu. Look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a profile icon there, which is usually represented by a small circle with either your initials in it or an image if you've uploaded a profile picture. Click on that icon to reveal a menu with several options. Now let's select the Switch Accounts option. From the expanded menu that appears, carefully look through the options and find the one that says Switch Accounts. Clicking this option will allow you to access other accounts that are linked to your profile. It's a straightforward way to navigate across different workspaces without having to log out and log back in. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all accounts associated with your profile. This will appear in a convenient drop-down menu. Simply scroll through the list. It's important to ensure you choose the right account. Just click on the name of the account you wish to access. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to find the right one. This feature is particularly useful for users managing projects across various teams or organizations. Finally, once you've selected your desired account, you will experience automatic redirection. In just a moment, you will be taken directly to the dashboard of the selected account. This seamless transition allows you to continue your work without any interruptions, making project management even smoother. And that's it. Just a few simple steps and you're ready to navigate through your different accounts on Monday.com like a pro. Remember that being able to switch accounts easily can help you stay organized, especially if you collaborate on various projects with different teams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Monday.com effectively.